These potatoes are delicious when they're cooked.
Yeah.
Do you need more? I'm full.
I'm full as well, really.
Okay.
I think I was a bit more full than you. Hey, Sokka. Hup. Maybe I shouldn't run over the table.
Probably not. We need like a little
how you
thing for
doing?
him to hide.
Yeah, we gotta make him a little place, cozy place. All right, so are you prepared for the day? Ready to? I don't know.
Farming as usual.
Yeah, I could show you a bit of stuff that I've done. You know,
Sure.
I haven't quite shown you that before already.
We haven't had the chance to do that yesterday.
Yeah. So as you see, I've removed a bunch of very high grass, replanted some flowers, as well there all over the place around the house. How do you think it looks?
It's nice.
I think
Actually,
I like it.
It looks a lot cleaner.
Yeah. And around here, behind the house as well. I never actually realized we had that much stuff back here. Like beds of wood, tables, and
Very uncomfortable.
that looks like a fireplace. I'd say so.
Yeah, it would make sense.
Yeah. I haven't been able to remove all those vines though. Like, I'm not gonna climb up there right now. Sorry. But I've removed a couple of vines here. Maybe I can polish this later. And here, a bunch of flowers.
Beautiful.
And I replanted the fields. It's already grown so much again. And I would like to show you a little flower formation that I've made.
Okay. That's beautiful.
You like that? Little bit of stripies?
Yeah.
I think it looks quite neat too. And yeah, that's basically it. What I've done. It looks so, like, not that much, but it took so long. Really.
I believe you.
But there's actually one thing that's quite interesting as well that I've found.
What?
It's over here. This over here.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, there's a big piece of metal. There's some tools here. Don't know. Maybe it's like a workstation or something. You can
Could be.
you can work on
Maybe
your
we
weapons
can
and
fix.
stuff.
Yeah, maybe we can fix the tools that we already have that are
Yeah.
going broken.
That might be a good idea.
But
Over there is the orange thing that I found.
do you think we can eat it?
We can pick him up and bring him over to our house. Up. You're gonna come with us.
Saying that like you're stealing it.
Abducting. Hup. Bloop, bloop. Yeah, it looks great.
I want to try and eat it.
But how would you eat it?
I have no idea.
Let's bring them into the kitchen. Can you bring some coal really quick?
Where do we have it?
In the...
Right here?
This, yes.
Here, wait.
Coal. Alright. Nope. Doesn't seem to have any effect on it.
Maybe we have to prepare it some other way?
What if we were to, like, grind it
Cut
up
up
or something?
Yeah, like cut it into pieces.
Yeah, and then mash it. Maybe that would be easier to eat then. But
Yeah.
we'd have to find something to put it in, other than our hands.
Aw. Maybe... Okay, let's look if we find something useful. Let's see.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a look downstairs real quick.
Downstairs. Oh, downstairs. Right.
Up. We could try downstairs.
Yeah, let's go.
Even further into the deep. I'm gonna go this way.
Okay, I'll take this light in.
Nope.
Nothing
Nope.
here either. Have you
Nope.
found anything?
No, not really. Wait. There's a bowl in here, but it's not really really clean.
Well,
Okay,
we could take it upstairs and clean it later.
Yeah, let's wash it somewhere. Kind of icky, a little sticky.
Okay.
All right, how do we clean this? Burn it in the fire. No.
That's probably a bad idea. Maybe we could use the fluids that we found in those other containers downstairs.
What do you mean? Which fluids? I didn't see any fluids.
I'll go and get some. Okay. How about this?
If I just put both of those in here. Yeah, I think it worked. Sort mostly, yeah. Yeah, it worked. Yes.
Great.
Indeed. And we can just work on the orange thing now. All right. I'm going to give you one, and we're just going to mash it up real good. I just got to take this, mash it real good. And okay. I've mashed them up real good, put them all in a bowl, and I'm scared. I'm not so sure. Maybe you can give it a try?
Thank you. Yeah, not the best thing we've prepared.
I'm not feeling that well. I'm just gonna throw that in the bowl. Okay, nope. Nope, that's not it. That's not it. Really not.
Won't be eating that again.
Yeah. Maybe we can just start farming the good stuff again. Like,
sounds good.
That's not orange. Maybe we can find a better use for that. But that's definitely not it. Wait, we need tools. Yeah, I'd say we need tools.
What do you need tools for?
Like, not getting your hands extremely dirty, being able to cut through the things nicely, and getting a lot of work done more efficiently.
I think my hands would be just as efficient.
Alright. So what do you want to do? Want to do the taters or the... I guess you want to do taters. Alright, I'm gonna do this over here. Would you come over here real quick? I've got something to show you.
Okay, give me a second.
It grew. It actually grew.
Can I pick it out? Is it okay?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah,
Carrots!
Get it.
We got carrots.
That's so
Got
cool.
more carrots.
We have to plant more of them.
Yeah, maybe we can use this field over there. I already cleared it up a bit last time.
Yeah.
Yesterday. To the tater
Can
field.
you give me the other carrots you have?
Those were all.
Oh wait. Oh yeah. Sorry. Oops. I have them.
Zack. I'm gonna be faster than you, for sure. And then I can annoy you.
Great. Look at my efficiency.
I'm efficienter. Yes.
Doesn't seem like you're more efficient than I am.
Yeah, I am.
I'm gonna beat you.
I'm done.
No! but I did the carrots too, so that's not fair. I had more work.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I didn't realize you did 4 carrots. I'm gonna come in and ruin your
You're
work.
such a meanie. Hey! Be careful, don't start jumping around. Because otherwise you're gonna break all the plants, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Why do I got a feeling you're planning something?
I'm not planning anything. I'm just chilling, relaxing,
Okay, if you say so.
watching you do the work, sitting around.
You know, you could help me.
Or, you know, stay here, watch you do the work. That's helpful as well. Yeah.
Not really.
Yes, it is. Of course. What the heck?
Actually, you know how you could make yourself helpful? Come over here. Take that and start cooking it. How about that?
Alright.
Yes.
I'll be back in a second.
Okay.
Alright. Gonna have it done soon. I'm definitely more efficient energy. By far more efficient.
Hey, you, Jess. Get
Yeah?
over here.
What?
What were you saying behind my back about being more efficient than me?
I didn't say
No,
anything.
I heard that.
No.
Yes, you did.
I didn't say anything. At all. We just gotta cook the taters, yes.
I was so much faster than you. Yes. Are you done cooking?
I'm cooking right now. Like, look, there. There. You see that? I'm working.
You're a slowpoke.
And you are weird.
Hey.
Okay. One thing that I actually wanted to ask you on the topic of weird. Are those real?
What?
No, those huge ears.
What do you mean by like?
Like, look at
they're
those.
Normal. Your
I don't
ears
have
are
those.
Weird. Yeah. Well, you. I
No.
have normal ears.
No,
You have,
I
like-
have normal ears.
like-
You have
like-
weird ears. Also, every single zombie out there that I've seen so far has my ears, not yours.
Well, I don't know. It's just how I am.
Alright, I guess. It's just, they look so different. They almost look
I
like,
think so.
his ears, but still a bit different. And brownisher. Brownie-isher.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't
This-
really look at my ears, you know.
That's right. Wait, we've got a reflect you thing over here. Look at that. I can look at myself in that. Nice, right? There we go.
Okay, wait. Yeah, you're right. They look different.
See?
They're so cute. They're a lot nicer than yours.
No. I mean, they're bigger and softer and like hairier, I guess. What are you doing? Don't look at my ears.
Having a look at your ears?
No, that's weird.
I wanted to see. Maybe they smell different. Come over here.
What the what do you mean smell? Ears don't smell like anything.
Here. Oh, no, not that much. I'm hungry.
Okay, I'm sorry. I have to ask, what do ears normally smell like?
It's complicated. I can't really explain it. It's like... It's not really necessarily the ears. It's just like... Usually, like, around... Like, ears... Neck area, you can, like, smell a person's scent.
Okay.
Like Soka has a scent. You do too. Yours is different from Soka's.
Okay.
You can't do that?
No.
Okay.
I smell a bit of burning fire over there.
Yeah, that
And
thing is...
Soka, I smell Soka. That's for sure. But other than that, I mean, some things smell good, like food, but not other people and stuff. And then there are zombies, of course. They smell absolutely disgusting. Like, seriously. But other nuances, other than zombie and like freshly baked food or Soka, it's not really something that I like, smell.
Yeah, Soka needs a bath.
Yeah.
You might need a bath too in a couple of weeks.
The horses outside. Do you think we could try and tame them a bit?
Yeah.
Horses.
You never close the door, do you?
No. Would you like a potato? Could I interest you in some nice fresh taters?
Seems
I don't
more
think so.
interested in the grass.
Yeah. Come on, take some. But, okay, I guess not. Come on, just one. Whoa. Okay. I don't think you like potatoes. Do you like the orange stuff? No.
You have to pay attention. He seems a little nervous.
Some wheat. He likes wheat.
Did he just eat that?
Yeah. He's happy. There you go. You can have all the wheat. Let's feed him some wheat. There you go.
Not too much, then he might get greedy. And we need that for our food too.
That's right. But I think he likes wheat. We can befriend him.
Hi. I want to try and ride him. I haven't tried it yet.
You're on him. You're on top of him. Wait, can I sit on top of him? I'm on top of a horse. Look at me.
He seems to like you now.
Yes. Friendships. Yes.
He's so cute, horsey.
Alright, we gotta protect you at some point, somehow as well.
Yep.
But for now, I guess enjoy this bit of space we got.
Oh.
I feel like I'm getting tired, slightly.
You're tired.
How are you?
Already?
Yeah. Sokka needs a bit of food as well, I guess. Just... There you go. Yeah, that's good, right? Yeah. Sokka is a bit lazy, isn't he? He's always like laying around all day.
Yeah.
But he's still a good boy.
He looks very old.
I mean,
Good boy, yeah.
could be. Does he smell old? If there's a smell for that?
I to be honest, I have no idea how he would smell if he is young, so I don't know.
Yeah, I
old.
guess you haven't really seen any other Sokkas out there.
Yeah.
Oh no, the sun is setting. Look at that. Looks beautiful, don't you think? Bye bye. The day, once again, comes to an end. I guess that means time for sleepy sleep.
Yep.
Alright. It was a nice farming day with you. Once again.
And next time you might make yourself a little bit more useful instead of just looking at me farming.
Hey, I did a lot of stuff, like, look at all of that.
I know.
Yeah. Anyways. It's probably best if we put the fire out though. It's already quite warm in here. So we don't burn the house down. There we go.
I wouldn't have thought about that. Oh, the sky is so beautiful.
Yeah. It's nice out there, isn't it? Alright.
Okay.
Then
Night, Soka. Let's go.
time to go to sleep.